Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the TeamGroup T-Force Vulcan Z 16GB DDR4 3200Mhz gaming RAM. This RAM is known for its metal heatsink and high performance, making it a popular choice among gamers. Let's dive in and see what this RAM has to offer. The red heatsink adds a unique look, but unfortunately there's no black option available. The RAM boasts low power consumption and supports overclocking in the BIOS. When I installed it, I noticed the default speed was 2666 MHz, but with a simple tweak in the BIOS, I easily overclocked it to 3200 MHz. But keep in mind that this RAM will not run the 3200 Mhz out of the box, so I changed in the BIOS. I overclocked it from the default 2666 MHz to 3200 MHz for optimal performance. In gaming benchmarks, it delivered smooth gameplay without any issues. I got this for only Rs 3,700 from Amazon for its price. This RAM offers excellent value, though it lacks RGB lighting. If given the choice again, I might opt for the RGB variant despite the slight price difference. In conclusion, the TeamGroup T-Force Vulcan Z 16GB DDR4 3200Mhz RAM is a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers looking for reliable performance. Check out my benchmark video for more details. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.